Hey guys, and welcome once again to this channel. If you have been here and if you haven't, it is so very sweet of you to pass by. I know that this is a super strange angle or a super weird way to start a video, but we are going to be reorganizing these for cabinets today. I'm going to open them right now and show you what's in them, except this one, because right now there's like some prescription in there, so that's like personal info. So I'm going to show you these, but then at the end I will show you this one. So what we're going to be doing is reorganizing, like I said. For that, we're going to be using these OXO containers. I already have a lot of them. And then these jars that are a quart in size, I believe. They're 12 ounces. So we're going to be reorganizing everything. Let me just open this and show you. So here is what everything looks like. As you can see, it's not that bad, but in my eyes, it's like really bad because this used to be way more neat than it looks now. So right now I do have, like I said, some OXO containers, and then I have these that are from Dollar Tree, but I want to get rid of these because they're not super safe. Well, they're safe, but they're not as secure as the airtight ones. And then the jars are also just like safer than, more secure than this. I keep saying safer. There's nothing wrong with them. They're just not that secure is what I'm trying to say. So I want to get rid of these, and then yeah, that's what we're doing. As you can see, also I have a lot of things that have no place right now. So I think getting rid of these 8 containers is going to give me more space, and the jars are just smaller. And some things, as you can see, they just don't need like containers that big because there's not that much of stuff in there. So the jars will work out just way better for that. On this side, we have a lot of things that have no place. As you can see, like the baking soda, like I don't want that in boxes or anything like that. On top, I have just like all of my disposable things. That's going to stay exactly where that is. And then on this side on top, I have most of like my glass containers or bowls, I should say. So I think what I want to do is put all of the glass things in here and then move all the food to this side so that there's no food here, and then the food will just be here and then here in that one. So I think I want to put like most of the bigger containers in here, and then things that won't be in a jar or in an OXO container then could just, like the honey, syrup, things like that, then maybe those could come in here. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Right now I'm actually kind of stressed about this. This is a pretty big project right now. Also, it's very hot, so I'm going to turn on the AC. I'm going to just do what I have to do, and I won't like talk through this video too much because, like I said, it's hot and this is just a lot. So I really want to just focus and concentrate and do what I have to do. Also, the light is a little weird. I do have my studio light facing this, but we did just change the light bulbs in the kitchen, and for some reason they look different to me. They're like way brighter. I don't know what it is about it, but the light is a little weird in my eyes. So anyway, let's just get into all of this. Little update for you guys. I am on top of a chair, so that's why everything looks like you're looking at it from above, because you are. So here's what's happening. I just took all of this out of the cabinets. There's more on this side. This cabinet is empty except for this because that's gonna stay there. This side is also empty except for this because that's going to go here. Hopefully it fits. And then that third one over there is empty, but I can't reach it right now. Literally standing on a chair. So that's where we are. I'm going to transfer these to here. Now, the reason why I'm not filming like absolutely everything is because, as you can see, I'm a little stressed out right now. Like, this is real life right now. I'm not trying to make anything look good for the camera or anything like that. Like, this is real life. This is what's happening. So once I move the bowls, I'm sorry if I'm moving the camera a little too fast. Once I move the bowls to here, then I'll be done with this side, and then maybe I can set up the camera so that you guys can see when I'm like putting things in and stuff like that. I'll definitely show you when I'm like transferring from containers to the glass jars or the OXO containers, but that's not happening for now, to be honest. I still have to clean this. I cleaned this one, still gotta clean this one and that one. with like Clorox wipes. And yeah, we'll be right back. Hello once again. So it is now the next day because I finished like at 10:30 last night with all of this. It's insane. It was so much work, but I'm almost done. I'm not completely done, but the video is going to end here and I'm going to show you what this looks like. Okay, so this is what this cabinet ended up looking like. I know that you didn't see it in the beginning, but this is what it looks like at the end. So all of the food products that are like wet, so Nutella, peanut butter, honey, syrup, all those things I really couldn't put like in a jar because it wouldn't make sense. I could, but I don't know, it's like sticky and I just didn't want to deal with that. I don't think it makes sense. So all of those I just put up here. They're still pretty accessible, but they're just like out of the way. And then I have some jars here with teas and then just like vitamins on this side. So that's what that looks like. This big one looks like this. I think it's the best one. Isn't that glorious? It just looks so good. I'd put labels in things like the baking powder, baking soda, because you can confuse those. And then unsweetened cocoa and like regular cocoa, because again, you could confuse those, but the rest are just pretty much like this. I really like the clean look. Looks so good. And then here in the top I just put everything that's like left over that wouldn't fit in these. So like the sugar is in one of these, but then there's like leftover sugar, so that's up there and things like that. But I don't like how this looks, which is why I keep saying that I'm not completely done. I am gonna get some like nice looking baskets and put them up here and then put everything inside, since I don't really have to see it or reach for it because it's all down here. Then I can just like put them away, if that makes sense. And I think that's gonna look really good. I can't do it this week, I have no time, so it's not gonna be in this video, but I'll eventually update you probably on Instagram when I do that, so watch out for that. This is what this looks like. It is so good. I love it so much. By the way, I don't think I mentioned that the jars they come in a pack of 12 for about $11. I did buy 2 packs of that and I used about 15 jars, I believe, or 16. And then, like I said, this is what the last one looks like. I didn't want to put food in here, so it's just disposable things, napkins, cups, plates, and then just like glass bowls in here, which I wanted to move like lower because I always have to ask my husband to get them for me when they were up there, but now they're just more accessible to me. I can touch them, I can take them out. So it is perfect. I love, 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 love how everything looks. If you guys enjoyed this video, this organization, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. I already said that, but it helps me and it helps my channel. So thank you so much for your support, for watching, and I hope that you have a lovely Sunday. Bye.